And next fourth sum, we have to solve x squared minus xt plus 1 of y is equal to log of x divided by x the whole square. Here they have given the whole square. After replacing all this here, z divided by e power z the whole square. So separating the whole square, it will become z square divided by e power 2z. By taking this denominator to the numerator, it will become the negative power z squared into e power minus 2z. So this is the form we have to solve this. So for finding the auxiliary equation, m squared minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. The value of m is 1 and 1. So repeating roots. So complementary function is az plus b into e power z. After finding the complementary function, we need to find the particular integral is equal to 1 divided by d dash squared minus 2 d dash plus 1 into e power 2z into z square. The previous sum, we want to give first replacement for e power minus 2z. So d dash should be replaced as d dash minus 2, and then all the d dash values should be replaced as d dash minus 2, and after multiplying all these things, we get d dash squared minus 6 d dash plus 9 z squared is equal to e power minus 2z divided by 9. That is this is the algebraic expansion. You want to give the binomial expansion for this by taking the constant term outside. Take 9 outside, that is 1 plus d dash squared minus 6 d dash divided by 9. You take this to the numerator with the negative power and give the binomial expansion as 1 plus x to the power of minus 1. That is 1 minus x term is d dash squared minus 6 d dash divided by 9 plus this term. Alternatively minus plus will get, that is into d dash into z squared. You take z squared inside. That is z squared d dash squared of z squared. This z squared should be differentiated 2 times only. That is d dash squared exit, d dash also exists. So d dash cube will not be exist because it will become 0. So you put all the d dash squared terms and d dash terms and constant terms. After expanding this, you get z squared inside. So z squared minus d dash squared of z squared is 2 divided by 9 plus d dash of z squared is 2z plus this term, and d dash squared of z squared is 2, and then reduce this form as z squared minus 4z divided by 3 minus 2 by 3, and after taking the 3 LCM as 9 into 3, that is 27, 3z squared minus 4z minus 3. This is a particular integral. The complete solution is y is equal to a, the complementary function and particular integral. So after writing complementary function and particular integral, you want to replace all the z values as x terms. That is a log x plus b of x plus 1 divided by 27 x squared 3 log of x the whole squared minus 4 log of x minus 2. So this is the complete solution for the given problem. So likewise, you practice the Cauchy's sum, this term, and I have given the solution for this term, and the sixth sum for solution given, and seventh sum. So you practice by the previous sums.